Let's practice the repair part of conflict together with an emotional push-up. So step 1 in this push-up is to think of a small conflict you've had recently. This could be a little tiff that you had with your partner, or a disagreement with a boss, or maybe a coworker said something that hurt your feelings recently and you just moved past it. Once you've thought of your example, step 2 of this push-up is to practice a repair conversation with that person. You don't actually have to reach out to them yet. First, get comfortable with the language you might use. You can use this simple formula. When you said X, I felt Y. So for example, when you told me I'm too sensitive, I felt embarrassed and misunderstood. Then you'll follow it up with your why. Why are you bringing this up? I wasn't going to say anything, but our relationship is really important to me, and I realized I'd rather share how I feel now than let it quietly damage our dynamic. So the goal here is just to see how it feels to imagine leaning into repair in this way. Step 3 of this push-up for those who are feeling ready is to reach out to this person with this language. Maybe you send a quick text, or maybe it'd be better to have the conversation in person. If the person gets defensive, try this phrasing. I totally hear you that you didn't intend anything negative here. I'm mostly sharing this so that you know the impact your words had on me. And it'd mean a lot to me for you just to acknowledge my feelings. If they're able to acknowledge your feelings, then thank them for hearing you, and hopefully their acknowledgement will help you move forward without resentment. Practice this every time you run into conflict, and you'll notice your relationships deepen and get stronger.